Like to greet you a very happy birthday. I would like to thank you for your support you have given to me and this administration. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. God bless you and more birthdays to come. May the Lord keep you safe. Enjoy your birthday celebration. Thank you.
Pepito Manaloto, happy birthday to you. Dahil dyan, cheers tayo.
Happy birthday! One of my original little ponies. Sana makarating sa itong pagbati ko. Sana naririnig mo to. Kahit hawak mo lang naman yung cellphone. Happy birthday. I am always grateful to you for your love and support. I love you. Happy birthday. God bless you.
God bless you most especially today of all days because it's your birthday. And I hope that you have a really good one and feel truly loved and celebrated. And please know that together with your friends, I also celebrate your life. And I personally want to thank you for all of the years of love and support and for being a blessing to me. I hope that you know that I also root for you and your happiness and your success. Take care, God bless, and happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Mag-ingat ka parate. God bless. I hope to see you soon and enjoy your birthday. Bye! Mwah!
Happy birthday! I'm wishing you all the best. And syempre, huwag mo kalimutan magdasal kay Lord. Ingat ka palagi and God bless.
Happy birthday, Mita. I wish you a good health and a long life. Enjoy your birthday and more birthdays to come. Ingat ka po palagi. I love you, Mamita.
Happy birthday po, Mamita. Ingat ka po palagi. At lagay mo po tatandaan na mahal po namin ikaw. Sorry din po kung minsan makulit po ako sa inyo. And enjoy your day. I love you po palagi, Mamita.
Happy birthday, Ma. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pasensya, pagmamahal sa amin lahat. Lalo sa makulit mga po, si RJ. Yun lang, ingat ka palagi sa mga lakad mo, stay healthy, God bless always, tsaka more birthdays to come. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mamita. Ingat ka palagi. Mahal na mahal ka naming lahat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mamita. Wish you all the best. Wish namin sa'yo long life, good health, and thank you sa lahat ng gala at lakad mo. Love you, Mamita. Thank you sa lahat. Sabi mo, love you, Mamita. Sabi mo muna, love you, Mamita. Dali, Dutch meal bibigata. Love you, Mamita. Say mo, dali. Mwah. Mwah. Love you, Mita. Say mo dali, love you, Mita.
Mita, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Debut mo ngayon, happy 60th birthday and enjoy your day. Good health for you. And thank you so much sa lahat. I love you. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, tita. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Mamita. Sana bigyan ka pa po ni God ng magandang pangangatawan at lagi kanyang gabayan sa mga lakad at pupunta mo araw-araw. Mahal na mahal po kita, Mamita. I love you.
Happy birthday po, tita. Wish ko po sa'yo is sana po humaba po buhay niyo.
Love you.
Mita, happy birthday. Wish ko sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Lord. Saka iwasan mo na yung ma-stress sa aming magkakapatid. Yun lang, mag-iingat ka palagi. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamita. Thank you for being the best mom could ever ask for. Thank you for sacrifices for us. And please stay healthy and enjoy your long life until we can repay the countless you deserve. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Mamita. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ma.
Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan lahat. Take care. I miss you po.
Happy birthday, Mami Mita.
God bless you.
God bless you.
More birthdays to come.
Birthdays ka.
Flying kiss na.
Enjoy your day. God bless po. Stay healthy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Raquel. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Birthday po, Mama Raquel. Stay healthy and stay humble. Alagaan mo pa ang sarili mo. Huwag po masyado magpapagod sa trabaho. And happiest birthday po ulit. I love you.
Hi, Ta. Happy birthday. Sana sagutin mo na si Father. Happy birthday. Love you. Happy birthday, Mita, na ikaw. Ayun. Happy birthday, Mita.
Happy birthday, Taki. Wishing you more birthdays from wala akong boses. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ta. More birthday to come. Sana umaba pa yung buhay mo sa mundo-mundo nga. Love you nga.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nita.
Happy birthday po, Lola Raquel.
Happy birthday, Tita Raquel. Sana maging masaya ka palagi. At saka good health. Saka mula nang maging magkaibigan tayo, ang dami na natin pinagdaanan. Okay lang. Sige.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Raquel. Love you.
Tita Raquel, happy birthday. Sana abutan ko pa yung handa mo. 60 ka na, di ba? Sana marami ka pang birthday na pagdaanan. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. God bless you. Sana mapasagot mo na si Father. Love you. Hindi, pasensya ka na. Wala kami ngayon dyan. Nandito kami sa Maynila.
No heart. Surprise. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Dibo mo na. Diba sabi ko sa sa'yo? Kahapon, ilalatag natin ang long gown mo. Happy birthday, heart. More chikas pa tayong dalawa. Pag may problema, sumba lang natin yan. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Raquel!
Enjoy your day. Stay healthy.
60 years old ka na, Ate Raquel.
Susuburin ka namin dyan sa bahay nyo. Mamaya, magdala kami ng lalagyanan. Happy birthday ulit. More birthdays to come.